Welcome to Bike Sphere, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Hero Karizma 400. Hero MotoCorp has taken a bold step into the performance segment with this flagship model. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Design and styling. The 2025 Hero Karizma 400 boasts a modern and aggressive design that blends sportiness with sophistication. The sharp dual LED headlights, aerodynamic fairing, and muscular tank give it a commanding road presence. Hero has retained the iconic Karizma DNA but modernized it to meet the demands of today's riders. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Karizma 400 is a 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produces 40 brake horsepower and 37 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox and features a slipper clutch for smooth downshifts. With a top speed of 160 km per hour, this bike is built for enthusiasts who crave performance without compromising daily usability. Features and technology. The Karizma 400 is packed with tech. A fully digital TFT instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity keeps you updated with ride stats, navigation, and calls. Other standout features include riding modes, dual-channel ABS, and a quick shifter. Hero has ensured that this bike is as smart as it is powerful. Ride and handling. The bike's trellis frame, inverted front forks, and monoshock rear suspension deliver precise handling and a comfortable ride. Whether you're tackling sharp corners or cruising highways, the Karizma 400 feels stable and confidence-inspiring. Pricing and competition. Priced at 2.6 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, the Karizma 400 competes with heavyweights like the KTM RC 390, Bajaj Dominar 400, and TVS Apache RR 310. It strikes a balance between performance, features, and affordability, making it a strong contender in its segment. Conclusion. Hero MotoCorp has truly revived the Karizma name with the 2025 Karizma 400. It's a bike that combines stunning design, robust performance, and modern technology at an attractive price. If you're in the market for a sporty yet practical machine, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Sphere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.